Hello and welcome to Tech Tips in a Flash with the Instructional Technology Professional Learning Team. In this video, we are going to look at how to find a time and how to find an available location for your event in Google Calendar. Have you ever needed to schedule a meeting with coworkers but dislike the back and forth emails trying to find a time and location that works for everyone? The Find a Time and Meet With features can help you quickly schedule an event by checking availability in Google Calendar. Let's get started. Open your Google Calendar, and you can use these features directly from your calendar or when you are creating or modifying an event. First, let's take a look at the Meet With option over on the left-hand side directly underneath the monthly preview. You can click in the Search for People options under the Meet With label. Here you can start typing an email or a person's name. When the one you need pops up, you can simply click on it and select their name, and their calendar appears as a layer on your calendar. You can see the availability based on settings for the entire domain or for individual user calendars. For example, if a domain is set up to see only free or busy users, you will not be able to see event details unless a specific person has set up calendar sharing to show all their events. Next, you would click on Empty Space on the calendar, and it will create an event on whoever you have added to the meeting. You can then add in all of the event details and click Save. Another way you can create a calendar event is to use the Find a Time feature. So let's say you want to schedule a meeting at 11 a.m. Click directly on your calendar to create the event. You can add in your information. Then you can add your guests. And then you can use the Find a Time option to find a time that is available on both calendars. If the day and time you pick doesn't work, you can go to a different day. When you find a time that works for you, you can click on that date and time and it will update your calendar invite information. Additionally, these features will work for users in the same domain or if a user has shared their calendar with you specifically. While you're adding your event, you can also add a room or location to the meeting and then click on Search for Room or Resource and add that to the event. As always, you would save your event to your calendar when you have all the options selected. You'll be asked if you would like to send an email to the person you're inviting to the meeting, and you can either select Send or Don't Send for that option. So we hope the next time you're creating an event that includes more than just you, you try out the Meet With and the Find a Time feature to decide on a time and location that works best for you and your meeting participants. Thanks for watching. This has been your Tech Tips in a Flash. Make sure to subscribe to our Byte of Tech playlist.